Just work out for your brand how you make a difference.
23 years ago, Windows 95 became a thing. 23 years ago. 23 years ago, I was a teenager. That was just basically half my life ago. And I was just getting started in life, and I was already using the internet a little bit here and there, and I just saw the computers. It just happened a few years ago. So this whole thing, this whole evolution of the online world is just getting started. For some reason, the way that it works is that people start taking it for granted. They don't realize how unique it is. They think it's normal. They think it's just a part of the world. And they don't understand how big of a deal is and how it has changed everything. What just happened right now? Toys R Us, bankrupt. Sears, bankrupt. These guys are closing by leaps and bounds. But the main reason that they're closing is not that that retail doesn't work anymore. The idea that retail doesn't work anymore is so damn stupid. People are gonna keep buying forever. That's just never gonna stop. We are traditionally inclined towards spending our money, no matter where we are. That's not gonna change. But people are buying a lot online. But let me tell you something that it's a major, major opportunity. And this is something that people do not understand how to utilize. These companies, like the ones that I'm talking to today on the panel, they don't understand that even for local business, this is how they need to reach their audience. You don't need to sell online only. This online world is not for e-commerce shops only. And if you don't get that, then you're gonna miss out in a big way. Because if you have a traditional business, you have a printing business, if you have a jewelry local store, if you have a souvenir stores like the ones that over here at the beach, if you, any of the things that you have as a business, you have to understand that people's attention is here right now. How do you get people that are walking around with these devices to recognize you and to see that you're there and to be aware of you? You're not gonna get them by putting signs, because their attention is not on signs anymore. Their attention is here. So what you do as a small business is that you put your attention, you put your message in front of them. And when you do that, guys, you grow. Your business grows. Your customers are going to start walking through those doors that you're dying for them to walk in. Right now, you probably, if you're a small business owner, you get excited every time somebody walks into the door. And most of those times you get disappointed because it's a mailman walking in with some postcards or some mail that nobody cares about anymore, right? But what about if you can actually work on your social media game so you can get people into your stores? How simple is that? All you gotta do is learn about it. Again, this is one of those things that right now e-commerce has become a big deal. We're getting Amazon millionaires being created every day. We're getting e-commerce, Shopify, massive channels. All those things are happening. But what about the brick and mortar, the stores that need to be able to sell to survive? What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna disappear? Do you think that we're gonna just suddenly become a desert and not have any stores and only houses and buildings? No, we're gonna have stores. Retail is going to continue to be alive, but it's only going to continue to be alive for those businesses that are in the social media world. Because if they're not, let me guarantee you something. Every business will die unless you understand how to capture people's attention in this existing world without you being romantic about the way that you built your business, or you got attention, or you did your postcards, or you did your advertising, or your signs, or any of that stuff, okay?